recently released an update to our whiteboard. I'd like to take a few minutes to share with you some of those new updates. The first is that we now have an infinite canvas. As you can see, I have writing on my whiteboard here, but if I need more space, all I have to do is select the navigation tool at the bottom, and now I can move this content over. This leaves me more room to be able to annotate, add text, or images to the whiteboard. To add that content, down here at the bottom left with those three dots, you can see now that I can add an image, text, sticky notes, I can add a PDF document, as well as do a Google image search or search Google in general, all from the whiteboard. I'm going to go ahead and add an image here. The image I'm going to show is going to be from my Google Drive. Our panels integrate with cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, just to name a few. So here I can select my image and add that in. As you can see, just like a normal image, if I need to adjust it, I can touch the corners to make it larger or smaller. But down at the bottom, we have the menu where I can copy, cut, paste, lock in place, or I can delete that image as well. Lastly, we have introduced the ability for a split canvas. Back where those three dots are, you can see there's the canvas button at the top. If I select split mode, I now have a zone on the left as well as a zone on the right. Here, I can select on the left side the color green, and then on the right side the color blue, and I have the ability to annotate at the exact same time on this whiteboard. You can have it again in 2 zones, or you can split this into 3 zones for multiple people to be able to use the whiteboard at a time. Lastly, you can take a screenshot of this content. You can adjust the size however you'd like. You can at the bottom expand, so you're taking a screenshot of the whole panel. You can also take that screenshot, copy it to your whiteboard, or you can export it to your cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Those are some of the updates to our whiteboard, so feel free to turn on your panel and check out some of those new features.